babies. What you doing? You want to go in there? They came and followed me around this hide last night. I've been feeding them treats. And they've made the water black. And there's little bits of the poos everywhere. There's little bits of dry cat food for a treat. I know that's not like the most ideal food, but for a little overnight snack and morning treat, it's fine. Did you get yourself caught in there, Mama? She can get out. There's a gap. If I can go up, let her out. What you doing, Claire? Hi, my babies. Hi, Constance. I gotta hose down the mat. And there's Eddie, the daddy. And there's Fraser. And there's Noah else, my little crossbeak. I knew you could get out. I knew that. You good girl. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. You're a good girl. I know. I know. I love you too. You're a good girl. I know. I love you so much. I do. I have birds following me everywhere. I had to put this here so they couldn't come in last night, because they come in. Hi, Bubba. Hi, Bubba. You're a good mama. I know. I love you too. I haven't got anything decent. They've just got a little bit of cat food there. I know. The food's over in the other yard. I know. You're a good girl. Hi, darling. Hi, my little boy. What you doing, Miles? Hey, baby boy. Hey? Someone's coming up today to have a cuddle with you. Yes, he's my cuddly boy. Hey? Oh, Fraser, you're a good boy. I know. So they're two brothers and a sister. I know. And that's how come that looks disgusting. I don't even know how they make it so disgusting, to be honest. And the duck does the same thing. It ends up just brown. Black. Mud. I'm not sure why. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.